First, I will introduce you one more thing. Okay. Many ways we can take backup, either through Koha interface, otherwise we can apply command, otherwise we can schedule a backup. See here. Wait. First, I will show you how to take backup using a plugin. That is very convenient. If we enable that plugin, that will be available in tools. Just click on a backup button. The backup will download into PC. First, we have to enable backup. See backup configuration file in this file, and we have to first enable it. Copy the line. First enable the plugin. The big several lines we can search and find. Okay, plugin is 0. We have to make it 1. Then only it will be on. Enable plugin 0 to 1 and save the file. Next is restart the Apache server. Then go to tools, plugins, where it is. Okay, we have to create a file warlib Koha plugins. Okay, plugin is also here. Next is okay. It needs some more work. I will share through my blog. Earlier I have tried it, but anyway, we will leave it now. I will show you another way how to schedule a backup If you schedule a backup, no need to manually intervene the backup processor. It will take the backup in a specific time. Okay. See, basically backup, backup. See, basically backup we works using a MySQL command. Dump means ex, uh, take a backup of the entire database. I will show you the example. First, we have to familiar with the MySQL database management. We have to know about how to log in MySQL database, how to exit, and how to enter inside tables. I will show you one by one. See, to enter into MySQL database, we have to apply the command sudo mysql -u root -p. It means sudo means to get administrative privilege. We prefix sudo. Then mysql is the command we mentioned here. This is the mysql command. Next is -u root. We have to log in as root user. That's a super user in MySQL. Then -p space. Then -p means password. Okay. This command will apply. By applying this command, we can enter into MySQL database. Sudo MySQL space -u root -p. Enter. It asks the password. We have to give the MySQL root password. Okay, we create this password at the time of MySQL installation. This is the MySQL prompt. To see the list of databases, there is a command show databases. It will list out all the databases in this system. Enter. Every database end with a semicolon. See the list of databases, Koha underscore library. This is the Koha database. To enter into this Koha underscore library, the command is use Koha underscore library. Then a semicolon. Enter. Now that we enter inside Koha underscore library, that's the prompt shows. Use Koha underscore library semicolon. That's a Koha database. We are going to enter inside. Then only we can display the content of the database through command prompt. Next command is show tables. It will display how many tables inside the database. We have seen hundreds of more than 100 and about 200 tables inside Koha database, which contains different data related with the various module. And we have seen for book data, it is stored in three or four tables. One is biblio items and items. See, this is the list of tables. To enter inside a table and show the content, we can type the command describe biblio. Biblio is the table name. Describe biblio means it will show the content of the database. The same we can see through PHP myadmin. See. Okay, this is a web interface for database management. The same we can apply through command. Okay. To okay, this way we can enter inside a table. We can manage anything. We can change a line. We can uh, delete a field. We can delete a data. These things we can manage through command prompt. To exit from this command prompt, type exit. Okay, we'll return to terminal. Login once again sudo mysql -u -u means the username, root username we are going to apply for entering, -p that is for password. We do not type password here, just enter here, it will ask the password, enter the password, it will display in the terminal as star. Okay, this way we can manage database. To exit, type exit. This way, MySQL command works. The next thing is how to take backup of the database. In basic way, method is that apply MySQL dump command. The command is sudo. No need to enter inside MySQL database to take a backup. We can apply it from directly from terminal. Command is sudo space MySQL dump. Next is username -u root -p. Password will enter when we press apply the button. Just leave it p space. Then which database you want to take backup. Okay. Mention the database name. This is a source database we are going to take backup. See, put this symbol. Then the destination file. Destination file means, see, we can identify it. We can give the file name like 9/11/2022.sql. See here, sudo space MySQL dump. Dump means it take all backup in a single file. Then -u root. Then space -p. Then space Koha underscore library. That is the database name of Koha data software. Everything inside this database. Then put this symbol. Then Koha underscore library. Put a timestamp to identify the database when we took it. Then enter it. It asks the password. Enter the MySQL root password. See, it took a database. It is stored in the home page. See, this is the uncompressed format of database. Suppose if we take a backup of our library Koha database, it's in raw size. Its size is 1 GB. 1 GB is the size of the database MySQL dump. We can compress it, and decrease the size of the output file. Check it how we can make it. To compress it, we have to apply any compression format. That is, to repeat the same command, put the arrow button. See here. See. Put a pipe symbol. Then give a compression format XZ. XZ is a strong compression format like zip or tar. Okay, it compress it into compression format .xz. That's a output file. I know you may feel feel difficult watching this. Anyway, we have to familiar it. MySQL dump -u root -p Koha underscore library. This is the source database. Then a pipe. XZ is the compression format we will take backup in this format, it will decrease the size of the output file. The extension is XZ. Okay, going to apply it. Check the result. See, this is the compressed backup. Size is 281 KB. The real original uncompressed size is 6 MB. See how much it decreased. It compressed into small size. This way we can save the time of the, sorry, save the storage space of the backup file. Okay, this is the basic command. We can schedule it. Schedule it means otherwise we have to, if we want to take the backup manually, we have to apply this command manually. We are hurry-burry in library, busy with some other work. We can schedule it. For scheduling this command, we will make use a tool called cron tab or cron job. Cron job. If you want to know more about cron job in Linux, just type it in Google, cron job plus Ubuntu. There is a big tutorial, many tutorials there. This is the official cron job tutorial in cron tutorial from Ubuntu wiki. Actually, this cron job is a tool. We can set a time to execute or apply commands. I will show here. See, this is the timing. Every 10 minutes, it repeat the task. This is the command to repeat. This is the timing format. This way we will arrange the backup command for scheduling regularly. It will take the backup in a specific time. Okay. One more thing. We can see here many examples. For example, your library close at evening 8 p.m. We can schedule the backup 8:15. See, here time early morning 4:45. Okay. Anyway, uh, to, to start a cron job or schedule a cron job, we have to apply this command cron tab -e. Cron tab space -e. The tutorial I put it in my blog. You can consult and follow the instruction there. Anyway, I will demonstrate to you how it works. One more thing, we have to create a backup to store this backup in your PC. If you want a local backup, create a folder there with the name backup. If you want a cloud storage, you can install any cloud storage service. I am using Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud storage service. 2 GB free space they give you. Go to the Dropbox website, create an account there, and there is a Dropbox software is there. Install in Linux. We can download a deb file, install it. This client will appear here. Login. A folder will come. Dropbox folder will come. Whatever we put it in the folder, it will save it in the cloud also. I will show you here. Instruct backup to store the backup in Dropbox folder. When a file put it in the available the Dropbox folder, it also store in the cloud storage. Suppose your system crash, don't worry about it. It will save in the cloud. Open the website, download it, and restore it. Okay. Okay, to enter in cron tab space E, enter. Here mouse will not work. We are open this thing in a uh, editor called Nano. Mouse will not work. Scroll down, up arrow, press on up, down arrow, move the mouse here. See, we can arrange the line like this. See here, 8, 8 p.m., 15 minutes, this backup will work. This is the backup command mentioned like this. Here we mentioned the password of the database. Here we use not root user. This is the username of the Koha database we create at the time of installation. This is the username of the Koha database, password of the Koha database. This is the database. And compression. This is the destination, home, Vimal, backup, Koha. This is the destination. If you want to create a timestamp, there is a provision for timestamp. See here. See, this is the timestamp syntax. If we search in net, we will get different kinds of timestamp. See. Then save this line, Control O, enter it. See here, Control O, write out. To save the line, then exit. Once again, cron tab -E, apply down arrow button. See here the timing. This is the command. See, it's a lengthy line. You have to familiar it. Okay, we can try to apply it, how it works. I just copy the line. No need to apply it. Okay. See here, this is the result. Backup file with the date and time. This way backup will work. See, we have set the time 8:15 every day, 8:15 it will work. It will apply the command. It will take a backup, place it in the specified storage. See, visit my blog and check for the keyword backup. We'll find different kinds of backup we can find. Then one more thing, suppose your backup is comparatively big and you only need to retain 3 or 4 days backup and old backup need to delete it. We can create a code to delete a specific day's backup, delete automatically. You can save the space. Anyway, this is a command, play with the command. We have to familiar it. First, we have to learn how to apply these commands. Then we have to learn how to apply syntax without any error. We have to know how to properly enter commands without proper spaces and other things. Commands are case sensitive. If we made any mistake, the commands will not work. Once we set this backup, it will work without any problem. No need to change anything. This way, backup works. Then next is how to restore this backup. Suppose we have backup, your system crashed, everything lost, but backup with you. How to restore this backup? First, we have to install Koha new, then take the backup. Okay, download it from the Dropbox or wherever it may be. Download it. I will show you how to restore it. Okay, we put the backup file in. If it compressed format, uncompress it, place it in the home folder, then type the command sudo mysql -u root -p koha underscore library. That is the database name. This time we will apply this command. Earlier it was this symbol. Now it's this symbol. Then type the type the file name in the home folder. Just type few lines and apply tab button. It will autofill. Sudo mysql space -u root -p koha underscore library, the symbol. Then the source file, we will move it into the destination file. We will move it into the source Koha database. Plus enter. Type the root password. It will restore the content from the backup file to the source database. Suppose your backup or Koha backup is a little bit older, 1 year old, but you have installed new version of Koha. There, both new version of Koha database and backup database version may be different. Database structure may be different. We have to upgrade the database structure. Otherwise, it will not work. Apply this command sudo service mysql. Sudo service. There is a restart a service called memcached. Memcached is a service. I'm not much about it. Anyway, suppose we are going to restore a database. We have to restart it. Otherwise, it may show error. It will not accept. Then next is we have to apply the command to upgrade. We have restored the old version of database into Koha, but Koha is a new version. But we have to upgrade to the database structure into new one. The command is sudo Koha upgrade schema, database schema. Then instance of the library instance name. When we install Koha, a instance first they will create. That's default name is library. First we install Koha software. Then we install an instance. Instance means one installation of Koha. There in one single installation, we can create several instances. Suppose you have 10 libraries in a single campus, but different libraries. You can create different instance for different libraries. Different instance means each instance has different databases. Each library has no connection. There, everything details stored in the different database. That is instance. Here, Koha upgrade schema space library. That's the instance name. Enter it. Upgrading database schema. Now you can call it in the browser. It will works. This instruction I mentioned in Koha Geek restore. You can find a keyword restore. See, move old Koha database to new installation. See here, step-by-step instructions. Okay, we can take a 10-minute break. After that, we will learn serials module. Okay, welcome back. Next, we are going to learn how to manage serial module, how to manage the subscription of periodicals. See, to manage a serial or periodical, for example, a journal, we have to start a subscription of a journal. First, we have to create a biblio of the journal. Same like we have to catalog a journal. See, we are going to demonstrate. I am going to demonstrate it how to catalog a journal first. Then we will start serial management from serial module. Okay, for example, Harvard Business Review. It's a very popular management journal. To manage this subscription, first we have to create. First we have to create a biblio. To create a biblio of the journal, click on cataloging module. First we go to cataloging module, create the biblio of the journal. Then click on the same framework, booklets, workbooks. The same book data entry sheet we will use. Here we will enter ISSN. We have added ISSN number here. Search for Harvard Business Review ISSN. This is ISSN number of Harvard Business Review. Then classification number 658. HBR. Title Harvard Business Review. Next, we can give place of publication and where it located. These things we can give. See, Massachusetts. Harvard Business Publishing Group. Okay. Next is topical term, business. One more term, management. Okay, this is enough. ISSN number, call number, the name of the journal, then place of publication, name of publisher, then keywords. Okay, next we will save it. We create only biblio. We will not create any accession number, or we do not add any item information. Okay, we have saved the biblio, return to home page. This process we start. First we create place order for or create subscription, send the payments and everything. This process we start when the first issue of the journal arrives after create the subscription. Okay, we have sent payments and everything. They approved it. The first issue arrived. We will start this process. The second is click on serials module. Click on serials module. Here a subscription option is here. Click on new subscription. See, first is a vendor. Suppose you are subscribe this journal through a vendor. We can add the vendor name here. Uh, Actually, the vendor, creation of vendor located in acquisition module. Imagine that you subscribe this journal directly from the publisher. In India, I think some publishing group manages subscription for India. Okay, directly we made the payment. We have a subscription directly with the publisher. Okay, second is record. Record means we have created a record, biblio of Harvard Business Review. Click on search for record. Click on search for record. Enter a few word Harvard, then search. Okay, choose. Okay, in search result it came. Click on choose. One more thing I forgot. In Biblio, we have to add a book, I mean a journal cover. Search for Harvard. See here images. Upload a representative cover of the journal. Harvard Business Review. Save a cover first and upload here. It's a local cover. Click on images, upload. This is a biblio part. To identify a journal, every journal has their own unique design. Just upload a cover. Suppose a user search in OPAC, he can easily identify if we upload a cover and a process image. Okay, cover arrived. See. Okay, first we search. Search box will come. There we search a part of the title. Choose the periodical. See here a record, that is biblio number. See here Harvard Business Review. No need to type anything here. Just search and find. Okay, you cannot type it here. Search and find the record. Second option is create an item record when receiving this serial. Do not create an item record when receiving this serial. Whether we want to assign an accession number for each issue of the journal when it receives. A few libraries assign as accession number when it receives, and main purpose is that distribute among the users. Certain libraries allow users to borrow all issue of the journals and the magazines. Most of the libraries, they do not allow for home reading. So we can choose do not create an item record. Okay, next issue is when there is an irregular issue, what we'll do? Keep issue number. That's okay. Then call number, the library, public note where we can mention, suppose are bound volumes storing floor or second periodical section. Public information. The next is, for example, 2001, 2002, 2005 issues not available. This kind of information we can place here. Then non-public note means to know about the library, current year's DD number, some information regarding subscription we can mention here. This is patron notification. It means suppose a new issue arrive, we can inform a group of patron regarding the arrival of new issue. It will send an automatic email for that. That is called routing of periodicals. Then location, where it located, general stack. Grace period means HBR frequency. First we have to check. Let's review. Six times per year. Okay. Grace period means to calculate late missing issues. They calculate a grace period. For example, every 2 months a new issue will come. Here grace period is 30 days. Okay. So monthly we can give the grace period is 15 days. Here 16 days a new issue will come. Here we can give the half of the frequency as grace period. The purpose is that when a new issue arrives, we can expect the next issue after 60 days. Okay. After 30 days, we can expect the next issue. Then again 30 days, we can expect the arrival. If it's not arrived, Koha will calculate it as late. Then it will send automatically reminders. For that purpose, grace period use. That's the usage of grace period. Anyway, give here half of the frequency as grace period. Then number of issues to display to staff means a person search in OPAC for the Harvard Business Review. The search result, he view the details. How many issues details in the first interface. For example, 12 issues details will be in the first. The previous 12 issues in the back. I will show you how it works later. Okay, that is number of issues to display staff client and number of issues to public online catalog. Once again, search and find the record, biblio, then class number, library name, public note, location, grace period is the half of the frequency period, then click on next. This is a warning, we have not give the vendor details, so we can leave it. See, the next window came. See here, first publication date. This is the first issue we receive after made the subscription. See, January 2022, we receive the first issue. January 2022, we receive January 1, we receive the first issue. Frequency is 1 per 2 months. See, 1 per 2 months. Then subscription length, how many issues we receive in a year, annual. 6 issues we will receive. Subscription start date, January 1st. subscription end date December 31st. Then numbering pattern, volume number. Okay. First is first issue publication date, frequency, subscription length, subscription start date, subscription end date, numbering pattern begins with, for example, first issue volume number, for example, 45 volume, issue number 1. Then inner counter. Inner counter means after 6 issues received, the volume number turned to 46. That's why we give here the number 6. How many issues per year? To automatically calculating volume, we have to give how many issues per year, subscription period. Then click on test prediction pattern. This is the pattern of current subscription. Volume 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If any combined issue, we can choose it. It means earlier, Harvard Business Review is a monthly journal. They have a combined issue on August, September. Okay, only we receive 11 issues. So we can choose in which month combined issue will come. Okay, then click on save subscription. Next is we have made subscription, created subscription, but we have not received the first issue. We have not received the first issue. We are going to receive the first issue. Click on receive. See here, volume 1 arrived. Suppose we can expect more than most of the periodicals are irregular. We can expect more than one issue in a single stretch. See here, expected change to arrive. 41 volume, 45 volume, number 1 arrived. Then here is a note. There is a note option is there. Suppose each HBR volume discuss a particular theme. Come under a particular theme. Enter it as a note. That should be useful for the users. For example, special branding, special issue. Suppose then multi-receiving. Suppose we receive 5 issue. Set the date to receive it today. Click on OK. See, 5 issues we have received it together. The next 6th issue is expected. Okay. Okay, we will check how it works on the opaque. Search for Harvard. See the journal details with the cover. See here the status of the arrival of issues. Next is, suppose next month a new issue arrived. What will do? Next month, a new issue arrived. We have received the new issue. Click on serials module. See, search there using the journal name. Okay. Journal details came. Click on serial receive. See, volume 45, number 6, expected to arrived, then save. Okay. Subscription expired. Sixth issue we have received. This way we can create subscription. And one more thing, that is, suppose how to manage the bound volumes. Old Harvard Business Review bound volumes we have. We will bound together particular issues, how to manage with this module. To manage bound volume, first we have to create a new item type with the name bound volume. Click on item type. Click on new item type. Here give the short code bound volume. Type the name bound volume. Then select an item type. Item type code is BV. Description bound volume. Select a icon. Click on save changes. Okay. Next is, suppose we have some bound volumes. Next we will open Harvard Business Review on catalog module. Search for the Biblio Harvard Business Review. See, click on edit items. We will add a bound volume as an item. Click on edit items. Here, see, I forgot one more thing mention. See, for example, shelving location. If we want to add a shelving location, suppose we want to add a new shelving location for bound volumes. This is not in the list. Okay, see, this is the current shelving location that we can manage through authorized values. See, we want to add one more current shelving location. Just type it, periodical section. Okay, then enter. Authorized value place automatically come where we can add periodical section. Then save. See, then you have a collection code. The 3 collection code is there. If you want to add a new collection code, bound volume, then enter PV, bound volume. Okay, save it. This is this feature with this latest version 22.05. This way we can easily add authorized values. No need to go back to Koha administration and authorized values, create new values. then date, then okay, H serial enumeration chronology. That means serial enumeration chronology where we can add each volume contains which volume and issue. Each bound volume contains which issues. For example, volume 40, issues 1 to 6. Okay. 6 issues in a single volume. Then accession number BV1. Okay, save it. We want to add one more, add and duplicate. Sorry, change it to bound volume. Then change it to 141, volume 41. And duplicate. (42). See here, one accession number missing. Edit. Okay, this way we can add each bound volume as an item. See, in Harvard Business Review opaque view, see here, just refresh it. In subscription, here we can see each issue arrived or not. In holdings, see the bound volume details. Wait. See. Okay, this way we can manage bound volumes and current issues. Suppose we have online access of Harvard Business Review. We can give the link of Harvard Business website. Here in the URL, we can give the link to the Harvard HBR website. See, the URL is here. Click on online access. User can directly go to the concerned page. Okay, this way we can manage serials module. You can take a 2 minute break and return. 2 minute, only 2 minute break. Next, we will see how to create labels using G labels. We can, instead of labels, we can create QR codes. Okay, I will show you how to create um, labels and spine labels and inside labels using G label. We will return at 8:45. Okay, welcome back. See, next we will see how to create labels. Koha has already a label creation tools. In my view, that's not a perfect one. A little bit difficult. I mean, not flexible. We have to satisfy the existing features that is here. Anyway, lot of label creation tools already available. Yeah, I am suggesting G labels. G labels we can install sudo apt install sudo apt install G labels. We will install G labels. Second, in my blog, I have mentioned, I have uploaded a template, G label template for spine label. QR code. Okay. Search for find G labels. G label. Okay. This is the QR code label. Barcode is outdated. We can make use QR code. QR code is very convenient. Barcode it's lengthy. QR code we can fit into any shape or any size of the label. Okay, you can download QR code templates here and unzip it. We will get two files. And where we will get QR code reader, we can buy it from Amazon. For example, Fingers 2D scanner. This is a brand Fingers 2D scanner. We can buy it from Amazon. Different kinds of scanners available, different price. This QR code scanner can scan both barcode and QR code. Okay, it's about 5,000 rupees we can buy it. This is a wireless one. Wired one, wire is also available. Wireless is very convenient. Okay. Download the template, unzip it. This is the two file. One is a CSV file. We have to open it and add the data. See here. First is accession number. Second is call number. Call number with the book number. Okay. We can copy it from Koha report. Otherwise, we can manually type it. Anyway, use the paper NovaJet. Adhesive paper NovaJet, self-stick paper, sticker paper. See, this type of paper available in paper store. I mean, wholesale paper store we can find about price is if we buy it from the shop, we will get it about 200 rupees we have to pay. 65 paper in a sheet. Sorry, 65 sticker in a sheet. About 100 paper in a bundle, in a cover. This is very convenient and a small sticker. Okay. I prepare this template using for this 64 sticker paper. Okay, first open First open CSV file, second open the template. Here we can change the name of the library. First, we have to integrate, add the CSV file from here. Okay, object, merge properties, book list. See, choose it. Okay, we made a connection between CSV file and G level. And this is here, accession number will come. First, we have to insert field 1. Okay, where valuable variable will come here, column 2. See, if you want to change the font size, color, and other attributes, you can do it. This is a small piece of sticker, but it has a limit in size. Anyway, 8 is okay, it's visible. Here accession number, here call number will come. Suitable to paste it on the spine. Okay. Here QR code will come and save it. It's suitable to print it on an ordinary laser printer like less HP, LaserJet, 10-20. Single, wait. We can print using ordinary laser printer, mono laser printer. Okay, connect the printer. HP printer, very suitable to work with the Linux operating system. HP, they have a printer driver available. Driver means there's a software which connects the printer and the Ubuntu operating system. Then only printer will work. In Windows, we can double click and install the driver. In Linux, we have to do few more modification to install driver. Then only printer works with the Ubuntu. Okay, save it. Then click on print button. Place the sticker paper in the printer. Printer will come. Choose the printer. See here page setup. Paper type. Label. Select the paper type label. Then click on this one. Suppose we want 2 copies of the same label. Suppose we want to paste it on the spine, one paste it on the inside page. 2 copies we want. Then click on collate. It means we can, the 2 copies we will generate and the 2 copies will, 2 copy of the same book will come together and sit together. So we choose collate. Okay, then start on label means suppose you have printed 2 rows, then we can change the position of the label printing start. We can reuse the paper. Okay. Then click on print. The result will print out. Then see, this is the, suppose I have printed it on PDF. This is the result. We can peel the sticker and paste it on the book. This way we can take, create sticker for label, spine and label. QR code is very convenient, very fast to read. Barcode is outdated. We can make use QR code. Remember to paste a sellotape over the sticker. It prevents scratching and loss of the ink. I have mentioned the steps in my blog. find the keyword G labels. See here, you can download the template. Okay. Anyway, we have covered a lot of things and we could not cover many things. Don't worry about it. Lot of learning resources available in the web. Hope that you get some idea on how these modules works. If any further doubts, you can coming days you can put it on the WhatsApp group. Try all these things. Then make use their comprehensive user guide available in the website. Anyway, check my blog regularly. Uh, anyway, we will try more things and share these things in the form of blog post. And regularly check uh, Koha monthly newsletter. You will get a lot of tips and tricks. I could not cover opaque. Opaque modification depends on, I mean, we can modify it beautify it using CSS file. Very soon, I will prepare a document or guide how to make beautification opaque using CSS. I will show with some examples and a screenshot. That will be helpful for you. I have already um, released a book on Koha, but its copy is printed out, sold out. I have shared you the soft copy of the book. You can make use it, but it's a little bit outdated because a lot of things changed. We have planned to write the second edition. We have to add more things. Um, anyway, we will make it fast. Keep in touch with. If you have any doubts regarding the sessions, you can feel free to ask.
Sir, thank you. It's very nice session.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Can we get any certification for this course?
Certificate details, message box.
Pardon?
Okay, certificate details in the message box. It says that feedback form fill, you will get the certificate.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for participating this workshop. Thank you, sir. Anyone asked any questions? Then they ask, and after that we will conclude the session. Thank you, sir. Anyone asked any questions? Today it was the last day. If anyone want to ask, if anyone want to ask any question, he can ask. If doubt is clear,
Sir, can we get video last session? Hello? Hello?
yes.
Can we get video last this session?
जी राठौर जी We will provide video in all days,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
and we will send you certificate in your email, registered email. So kindly check your email after tomorrow or after tomorrow. I will send the all certificate. And anyone asks? Okay, Rahat ji, I will provide you video, है ना, tomorrow. And can you provide me the video of all days? Yes.